Quiabot Bartolome here. So for tonight, after 3 hours drive from Germany, nandito na tayo sa City of Bikes. Saan? Comment down below. Yes, you're right. One of my favorite cities in the world. We're at Amsterdam. Hey! So yan, tonight, it's New Year, guys. Our New Year dinner will be at a Chinese restaurant. I'll show you. Yan, ang gift daw sa amin ng aming tour guide ay pakakainin niya kami ng kanin for tonight.
Yang chow.
Yang chow. Siomai. Siomai kaya? Ano kayang soup? Yan. So yan, I'll show you. Wow. Excited ako na. Ipakita sa inyo ang Amsterdam sa umaga. Sabi ko sa buhay ko, mabalik ako dito. At nakabalik ako nang may asawa.
Guys, medyo niyabangan natin tonight. Inalis ko yung jacket.
Oo, nag-windbreaker siya. Sige.
Nag-windbreaker ako yan. Sobrang windy.
Kulelit ka talaga eh. So yan, sama ko kayo sa Chinese restaurant. Later, papayagan din yata tayong maglakad around the city para sa New Year. Kulit kasi ni Jello, tinanggal yung jacket. Ang lamig. So yan, kain muna tayo. Excited ako. Favorite city natin to. Nakabalik tayo, guys. Hindi pa ako nag-vlog nun. Tapos alam nyo ba, nakarating ako ng Europe dahil sa goal. Focus sa goal. May incentive. May incentive trip kasi ang office at travel siya. So sabi ko, travel to. Ako na to. So ayan, naipadala ako sa Amsterdam. So ayan, kakain tayo sa Chinese restaurant. More on that kwento bukas. Nasa Golden Garden tayo. 1 hour lang kasi. So ayan, kumain tayo ng masarap for tonight. Happy New Year! Yan guys, nakikita nyo may chopsticks. Asian na tayo ngayon. May soup kami guys. Parang pork rib. Pork rib soup. Herbal to. Kanin! Kasi kanin. May kanin.
Wala na.
May kanin. May pork. May beef. May shrimp. Wow!
Mag-wish ka pa na mag-wish.
Lumpia sana. Siomai. Hakaw. Okay, thank you Lord. Chicken wings guys. May isda. Yum. We have orange for dessert. We're done eating guys. Shit. Bye-bye. Sa Asia na tayo guys. Sabi namin maglalakad kami. Parang hindi na pala.
It's a trap.
It's a trap. Pinakain kami ng betchin guys para hindi na tayo lalabas. Hair check natin. Masaya kasi maglakad dito sa Amsterdam. Pero malamig ngayon. Tsaka sabi nila medyo magulo daw. Dahil nga New Year, maraming tao sa labas. We need to be safe. So yan. Balik tayo sa bus so that maki-check-in na tayo sa hotel. Guys, lamig.
Balutin niyo ko. Ako na balutin niyo.
Sige.
Thank you. Wala na.
Wala na. Okay. Balik na tayo sa bus. Kulilit kasi ito eh. So yan guys, alam nyo na, pag nandito kayo winter time lalo na, magsuot kayo ng proper gear. Ako may heat tech, may turtleneck, may scarf, may bubble jacket,
meron din ako.
may gloves, naka-heat tech din sa legs. Perfecto.
Ako meron, pero iniwan ko. Ako meron.
So yan, pakita ko sa inyo ang hotel namin and I'll be giving you a room tour of course. Okay, we're back sa bus.
May coca to.
Okay. Let's go. Hello. Thank you. Let's go. Okay, this is our bus. Dito lang kami sa harap. Okay, great.
Sarap ng coke yan.
Okay, see you guys sa hotel.
And also, the houses are very interesting. Maybe you saw it in films or shows, but tomorrow you will see it, in real life,
And so we're staying here, guys, at Holiday Inn Express in Amsterdam for 2 nights. Whoa! Okay, guys, we're now at the hotel. Ayan, everyone's checking in. Ngayon, pakita ko sa inyo. So, may hotel lobby, may para silang convenience stores, and ayan, may drinks. Ayan. Reason why nakarating ako ng Amsterdam. Dati, Heineken. Salamat. Ito, masarap to. Ayan. Heineken Zero. Nuts here. Tapos ito, ayan, pagka may mga kailangan kayo, meron sila dito sa harap. Very good. Ayan guys, ganito ang situation kapag naka-tour kayo. Since nga, 3 buses yata kami. Everyone's waiting for their key cards. So kami ni Jello, dito muna kami sa gilid while everyone is there. Kasi lahat yan aakyat pa ng elevator. Mag-story time na lang tayo. So, yung last 3 countries that we'll be visiting are Amsterdam, Belgium, and France, and Paris. So, yun yung 3 countries na napuntahan ko na rin. The first time I went here in Europe in 2018. Tapos yun guys, ang reason why nakapunta nga rin ako ng Europe is that merong competition sa office noon. I was with Heineken Global then. Tapos parang ang incentive trip namin is to go to Amsterdam kasi doon ng brewery talaga ng Heineken beer. So, yan guys. So, syempre dahil travel siya, yun ang naging motivation ko to do well. So, yun. Out of the hundreds na sales people noon, I was one of the 3 na pinadala. First batch yun. Parang 3 batches na tigna-tatlo yung pinadala. Pero isa ako sa una. Ako yung representative ng channel namin noon na pinadala sa Amsterdam. So, yun. Tapos noon, sabi ko, dahil ang ganda talaga, nakita ko ang ganda ng Amsterdam, parang, noong nakita ko siya, then France, then Paris, sabi ko, mas gusto kong balikan ng Amsterdam. Tapos luckily, ayan, nandito na tayo ngayon. Tapos may kasama pa tayong asawa. Ulitin ko yan kasi dati sabi ko, gusto kong makabalik talaga dito, may bonus pa. So, yan lang naman. Chika time pa tayo more or comment down below kung gusto niyo para mga ganong chika time natin. So, ayan. Wait lang tayo ng key card. Yun lang. So, guys, ang lesson doon, if may gusto ka, gawin mo na at gawin mo ang best mo para ma-achieve mo yung mga dreams. So, there guys, ayan na si Jello. Nagbalik tayo. So, it's now 8:30. Hindi pa nag-New Year dito. So, may free time kami ngayon and may option kami to go to city center kasi 5 kilometers na lang daw yun. Siguro mga less than an hour's walk. Mga 45 minutes, no? Pero kita nyo naman, naghihikab na si Jello dahil kumain kami ng Chinese. Most likely, matutulog na kami. Chinese food. Di naman ang Chinese. Tao yun. Yan lang. Later, I'll give you a room tour. Kita-kits! Hey guys! Joyce Yabot Bartolome here! So, for today, nandito na tayo sa hotel natin in Amsterdam. One of my favorite cities in the world. So, tara! We're checked in at Holiday Inn Express sa Riverside. So, come on! Visit kayo sa aming room. Guys, nandito lang yung mga luggage namin kasi kailangan na natin siyang ipasok. Pero ayan, starting off, ito, door to ng CR. I'll show you later. But here you have extra beds. Extra pillows, which I love. So, ayan. Kasi tig-iisa lang yung nasa bed. So, ayan, meron tayo agad dito na small closet na may hanger. So, ayan, nakalagay na ating mga jackets. Tapos, dito naman, ganda rin ng ganda rin ng pag-save nila ng space. Next time, pwede natin itong ma-incorporate sa mga Airbnb na igagawin natin na may plancha. Kasi guys, di ba, ang gusto natin, magsistay tayo na talagang magagamit natin yung space, tapos nandun yung mga gamit na kailangan natin. Like for example, tayo, di ba, vina-vacuum natin yung mga damit natin. It's best na we have iron and kabayo. Ano ba daw? Yun. So, yan. Ito naman. Tapos, ang likod niya, guys, is a full-length mirror. I love. Tapos, yung, ano niya naman, yung walkway niya naman, medyo malaki siya. So, mag-fit naman ng 4 luggages. So, ayan. Pasok tayo dito. You can place your cabin maleta dito para hindi siya nandyan lang sa may walkway. And then you have here a stool. I love. Ito hindi na natin nabili sa unit natin to. Yan. And then, pagpasok natin dito, you have a table. And then you have a lounge, a seat. Ang maganda guys, may mga socket siya dito. Yun guys, tandaan nyo, yung pabilog yung ano nila, saksakan nila guys. And then may USB cables as well. So ayan, pwede tayo dito mag-work, magtutupo, kumain. Very good. And then, now on this side, let's go to our king size bed. Yan, perfecto sa amin ni Jello. Very huge siya. I love it. Tapos dito naman, ano lang siya. What you see is what you get. May parang, ano ba to? May pa-desk siya dito. Tapos you have here your cups, your tea, your coffee, your kettle. Very good may kettle lagi. Para kung gusto yung mag-init. Yung mga katulad naman na nagdala ng pancit canton, nagdala ng noodles, you can use it. Gusto yung magkape rin in the room, you can. And then you have here your TV as well. So yan, most of the time di na namin nabubuksan kasi ang daming nangyayari. Tulog na lang agad. Tapos, on this side guys, we have a big window. Yan. Hindi nyo siya masyadong ma-appreciate now. It's nighttime. Pero sa mata ko guys, ayan o. Since New Year ngayon guys, nakikita nyo may nagko-cruise, may mga fireworks. Tapos bukas maganda yung makikita nyo dyan kasi ang view natin ay riverside. May yacht dito. Tapos may, yun, makikita nyo yung riverside tsaka yung houses kung paano ang itsura ng Amsterdam. Di pa pala napapakita ang banyo. Paano kayo dito? Dito tayo maliligo. Kita nyo no, malaki naman ang lalakaran. So yan, pasok pala tayo sa banyo. We have here our lavatory. We have here a big mirror as well. Maganda ang lighting, madaming ilaw. Maganda, may cove lights. Bago ang hotel na to for sure. You have here your hand and body wash. You have here your hair dryer. You have here your towels. You have ample tissue. I love it. Ayan, wala lang bidet. Walang bidet sa Europa, guys. So, bring your own bidet dito. If not, ganito na naman po ang proseso. Pag tayo ay uupo dito, dito po tayo pupunta. Ganon. Ganon. So, walang bathtub, but we have here a shower area. Meron sila na body wash and shampoo. So, very good siya. Ang ganda rin na aesthetic nito. No? Pwede to sa Aki's Pad. Uy! Baka naman. Kasi tayo isisigaw natin sa mundo ang mga wish natin. Baka marinig tayo ng universe, diba? So, yan. Ako gusto ko tong mga ganito. Maganda. Yan na naman tayo. Nag-i-imagine na naman tayo. So, yan!
Ang wala lang ref.
Walang ref? Hindi. Ano? Walang ref. Oo nga, tama si Jello. Walang ref. Wala. Kaya pala sa baba, guys, meron silang parang mini convenience store. Tapos nandun na rin tayo mag-breakfast and magde-dinner, I think.
Walang complimentary water.
Yeah, wala rin water. Kasi nga Holiday Express to. Parang nasa 3-star lang siya. Yata. Thank you so much for watching the vlog. Hope you like our room. It's what you see, what you get. Very clean, very modern naman than the other hotels that we have. We'll be staying here for 2 nights, guys. And I think with a view, I love to. Tapos, yun lang naman. If you wanna book this, I'll check this on Klook here. May Klook din yan. And don't forget to use my code JoyceChiClook to get 5% discount. So, yan. Alam niyo na. Book it, Klook it. Wow. Yun lang. Thank you. On the next one, I'll show you the breakfast bukas and kung anong mga malapit sa aming hotel. Bye!
want me to say something, I come up with nothing. Maybe we can talk until we figure out a topic. Been so long in my head, caught up in my feelings. I've been waiting for something new to happen. You want me to say something?
Happy New Year, guys, from Amsterdam.
Maybe we should talk until we figure out a topic. Been so long without it, caught up in my feelings. I've been waiting for something new to happen. And when it happens, we'll be dancing on the lawn when it happens. When it happens, we'll be dancing on the lawn when it happens. When it happens, we'll be dancing on the lawn when it happens.
Hey guys! Joyce Yabut Bartolome here! It's our 10th day here in Europe. At ayan, as ano lang tayo, favela girl. For today's video, we're here at Amsterdam, guys. So, I'll be showing to you our breakfast for today. 8 ang breakfast, tapos 9 we need to go. So, let's have a quick breakfast. Masama ko pa ba kayo? Sige, sumama na kayo. Tara. Good morning! So, ayan, we have our bread, our milk. You have here your cereal station. Quick lang tayo. Fruits. You have your salad here. And then you have here your cold cuts as usual. You have here your yogurt, guys. Yan po tayo. And then may mga snacks here. You have your jams. Okay. Cocoa Pops. Okay na tayo dito. That's it. Let's eat. Bon appetit. Kain tayo. Isa lang tayo. Of course, we have our croissant. Everyday vegan yung croissant. So, ang lagkit niya. Hirap na. Croissant. We have your our jam. Guys, ang sarap pala ng yogurt sa umaga. Si Aki lang kasi nag-yogurt sa amin eh. Now I know na yung mga gusto kong kainin. Salad and balsamic. Yogurt and fruits in the morning. May yogurt naman yung office namin eh. Kay Aki yung plain, sa akin yung strawberry na. And we're done eating, guys. Need na namin mag-coat. Grabe yung
We're not yet done.
Ah, you're not yet done?
Oo.
Grabe, guys, yung Charlotte Tilbury na sinwatch ko kahapon. No? Naligo na ako twice, kagabi and kanina. Ngayong umaga. Andyan pa rin siya. Excited akong
Nabili mo
gamitin.
yan? Nabili mo? Wow!
Guys, bilog na sa Europa. Ayan. Fix lang kami. Then later, chika ko sa inyo. We'll be going to the outskirts of Amsterdam. Dito ba tayo? Okay. Punta kami sa may windmill, guys. Hindi ko yun napuntahan the first time I've been here. Yun yung may windmill, yun yung may cheese na tasting factory. Masarap ang cheese dito sa Amsterdam. And yung paggawa ng clogs. Alam nyo yun, yung wooden clogs. Hindi yung Crocs, ha? Yung Crocs, ano na yun? Plastic na yun. So, yan. Fix lang kami. Sasama ko kayo mamaya. Happy New Year!
First kiss ng Happy New Year 2025! Woo! Yeah!
Let's go, guys! Nandiyan na ang bus. Grabe windy today. So, ang bus natin. We're here at Champs Sans. Ito na lang, pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan, guys. Andito tayo sa outskirts of Netherlands, wherein nandun yung mga windmill nila. Sa videos ko lang nakita yan before. Now we're here. Tapos dito, andyan naman ang history niya in front. Let me welcome you to my travel joys in Netherlands! Hey! I'll be showing you today our activities are, we're going sa may paggawa ng cheese, and then paggawa ng clogs, and then later I'll show you around, may mga windmill dito. So ano pa bang meron daw here? Yun pa lang naman. Tapos mama, picture taking. Oo, we have 1 hour-ish. Tapos later, I'll be showing you the city center of my favorite, one of my favorite countries in the world, Amsterdam. So, ayan. At ang saya ko, kasama ko na si Jello. Mamaya punta tayo. Oo. Tapos I'll be giving you a history of Amsterdam later, pero one of which, it is known as the Sin City and the City of Bikes. Makikita nyo mamaya kung bakit. Kasi maraming bikes dito. Yun ang mode of transportation nila. Parang mas maraming bikes dito kaysa sa tao.
Bike para makapag-triathlon ulit ako.
Try namin
Kaso walang tri-bike eh.
Oo. Wala, ano lang, city bikes lang. Try namin mag-bike later. Pero very windy today, so make sure that when you're here during winter time, wala, ayan na, may konting drizzle na. Mag-wear kayo ng layers. Tama ba? Stocking supply today, pero laban. Wala. Yan guys, parang tayo nasa barn today. Excited ako sa pag-taste ng cheese. Favorite ko yun the last time I was here. Masarap yung bacon nila na cheese tsaka yung jalapeno. So, kumuha tayo nun. There are shops. Pagpasok niyo pa lang. Ano dito? Wala, may rain na. Oh my gosh. Oh, alamig. Woo!
Grabe guys.
Wow! Okay guys, papasok na tayo ngayon. Naririnig nyo ba ako? May mic tayo.
Guys, kailangan na natin ng shelter.
Yes,
Let's go inside.
we'll see how they do the traditional clogs, the wooden one here in Amsterdam. Pwede rin kayong bumili ng souvenirs for later. So yan.
Para kasi Astro Boy.
Let's go, pasok tayo.
Did what I supposed to. There's nothing left for me to do. So now I'm walking out my head through open windows. Cause that's what I feel like. Do it tonight. Waking up my brain. Maybe you can do the same.
So now guys, they'll be showing us paano sila gumagawa ng clogs. Magsasample sila dito. Parang interesting kumuha ng isa, no?
Ano kaya sila dito yung G-Beats?
Jimmy's Crocs yan. Parang okay, no? Try natin. Alam ko pwede mag-trial mamaya eh. So, tingnan natin kung anong feeling niya.
We make blue shoes nowadays. First of all, the type of the wood that we use is poplar or willow. This is a piece of poplar. We use fresh and wet wood, which makes it easy to work with. Nice, as of the cut like cheese, but in case it's a little bit different. Yes. And remember, Luca, es muy importante la madera que utilizamos es the outside shape, and they use several sizes of spoon scoops to hollow out the inside. That was really tough work. It took about 3 hours to make one pair of these shoes. Nowadays, with the machines, it takes only 5 minutes. Antiguamente se hace la mano, con una cuchilla para el exterior y parejas para el interior. A mano es un trabajo de 2-3 horas y con las máquinas solo 5 minutos. Again, the same system. We make copy of the model. Es el mismo sistema para el interior. Hacemos una copia del modelo.
Ito na. Diba? It's amazing.
school. I could use a little something to do. Could go outside, take a little ride if you want.
So there guys, you saw how they did yung clogs. Before daw, they made it by hand. But now, dahil nga may mga pinagagayahan na 5 minutes na lang. Pero yung na-shape nila na clogs, it will take you 4 weeks. Dahil need pa i-dry yun. And then when it's already dry, kasi yung kanina hinipan, yung clogs, pagkahipan may lumabas na water. That's the water from the trees. So 4 weeks drying and then you polish it. And then others, they paint it. So ayan, ganito na itsura niya, ganito na itsura niya. So yan guys, bibili pa ba tayo ng Hermes? O ito na lang ang bibili natin. So yan, ang cute. I'll show you yung mga designs nila dito. Ito yung mga clog sizes guys. It's best worn daw with, ayan, thick socks. Okay, I'll show you. Ang cute nung iba, oh, ayan oh. And guys, so yan siguro ang version nila ng bakya sa atin. So nice. May leather version. Example guys, try ko to para sa inyo. Size 7. Tingnan natin kung true to size siya. Dito, upo tayo. True to size ha. Matigas. Comfortable naman siya. Cute ah. Guys, di ba yung Oran, kapag ka naglalakad ka rinig na rinig, ito rin for sure rinig na rinig ka. Yan, cute naman siya. Di ba? Kahoy ang shoes mo. So, ang cost nito guys is 99 euros or 6,200 pesos. So, what do you think? Yeah, Marikina made. Para sa mga Marikina tulad ko, worth it ba? Ito ang kanilang shoes dito sa may Holland or sa Netherlands. From the clogs, guys, there are other souvenirs that you can get from here. There are postcards, there are the windmills na figures, tulips also are known here in Netherlands, shot glasses. Naku, dami ko na sanang ganyan. Ayan, ang cute naman ito, coaster.
Pero ano siya babasagin?
3 euros lang for Nami's pad.
Babasagin siya kasi.
Doon ilalagay sa may natin collectibles na Ganito. Ito mga gusto ko. Ay, hindi siya plastic siya. Lalagyan ng trinkets. Cute. Ayan. Cute. We are getting some keychains. Ayan guys, itong souvenir shops nila dito. Cute. Dami niyong pwedeng bilhin. Yan. Ito yung price ng mga magnets. Yan yung mga clogs. We got 3 keychains guys for 10 euros or 600. Ayan. Para alam niyo yung mga price. So, yan. Get kayo dito. Oh, is this read diffuser? Let's get one da. For Nami's. Mahal din Okay guys, we're now heading to the cheese factory. Dito rin naman sa same place. I'll show you. Dito ako excited guys. Maraming free taste to. Oh, may diamonds din. Yan, let's go. Kuha tayo ng cheese. Masarap yung jalapeno dito.
Ayaw mo ng diamonds.
Gusto rin sana. Pa-earrings ka naman, Jello. Baka naman. O scared? Or scared? Scared. Ayan, take tayo ng videos, photo. Tapos na, New Year na. Wala na, hindi na Christmas. Kalamiga!
Ayun, tayo, lakad tayo sa cheese factory.
Oh, lakad na kami guys. Kaya na namin to. Kanya-kanya na to.
Kanya namin. Total traveler naman talaga kami.
Yes. Yan, lakad tayo. Itong flag nila.
Para siyang color din ng France ata.
Meron din sila dito guys. Ang kilala dito ay Stroop Waffle. Favorite ko yun. So yan, andito na ang windmill. Picture kita, Lika. Okay, guys. Kaya pa ba today? Super hangin. So ayan, ang windmills. Pag sinabi nilang windy, hindi sila nagbibiro. As in,
ba yung windmills?
to get
ano yan
a source of energy.
Yes,
But
by
now,
using.
hindi na nag-work dahil nga luma na yung mga windmills dito, hindi na kaya. So they already have their source of energy dito kasi nga modern times na. So now we're going to the cheese factory. Dito naman siya on the other side. So yan, promise guys. So when you're here in Netherlands or Amsterdam, make sure to get some cheese and take home sa Philippines kasi yum talaga. So yan, I'll be sharing with you, mag-food review tayo, mag-cheese review tayo sa loob. Sa may city center, marami rin silang shops ng cheese. Okay.
Are you coming over? That's cool. I could use a lift.
So just a couple of minutes for everyone.
Okay. Yan, nasa ibang group na kami guys. Okay. Okay. Whoop. Okay.
Oh shit. Sorry. So this year, 51 years. And you all know because the middle age here is 51. Now this guy is making Gouda cheese. And how do you make this? With milk. What we do, we throw the milk in the pot. First good hygiene, because that's really important. When the milk is going in, heat it up to 73 degrees. When it's that hot, you start cooling it down a little bit, up to 36, and that's the moment you threw sours into the combination. The sour is a little bit like an autograph. Every producer in Holland has his own type of sour. So when you eat his cheese, you can recognize a small precision of the producer. How many liters of milk? 120 liters of milk to make 12 kilos of cheese. For production, you have the curd. We will scoop the curd into this net. It goes into the basket. The lid goes on it, and look, the size is shaped already there. So when the lid is on, it goes into the press.
Hey guys, the most awaiting part is the shopping time. So yun guys, nakita nyo, that's the process how they do cheese. And then yung cheese nila daw ngayon can last up to 4 weeks without being refrigerated. So yan, ito na siya. Let's try. Okay, the fun part, we do free taste. Goat yan. I want yung jalapeno, hanapin ko. Sarap. Sarap, no? Very creamy. Dito tayo. Dito tayo mag-try. Ito yata yung bacon smoked cheese goat. Smoked cheese goat. Smoked cheese cow. Sarap. I love. Presyo niya ito guys, oh. 12 euros or around mga 800 pesos. Sarap. Kasama ko guys sa pangiti-ngiti. Favorite part. Sarap, no? You wanna get anything?
Ikaw.
Wait.
Parang wala tayong lalagyan ng
Sarap to guys. Kain tayo. Hindi ko mahanap yung jalapeno. Ito. This one is
Trying is one piece,
organic. Ito, organic goat cheese truffle. Lagi ko ito. Sarap. Meron sila mga souvenirs also for your charcuterie. Yan. Yan. Ito. Mga magnets. Tara na. Guys, let's get na lang when we get to the city center kasi baka may pupuntahan pa kami, maglalakad-lakad pa. So, yan, pasyal ko naman kayo sa labas, guys. Did you like ang ating cheese making sa kanilang barn? Oh, may dog inside. So, yan, dito na tayo sa labas. Dito tayo, picture tayo sa windmill. Let's go. Hello! Ayan, so 1 hour enough na rin. Hirap lang mag-photo dahil ma-windy, no? So, ayan, tara, let's na. Saan kaya ang toilet? Yun ang pinakamahalaga for today's video. So, ayan, kita-kit sa bus!